During the night of March 3rd, 2026, something breathtaking will unfold in the night sky. The moon will turn deep red, a phenomenon so dramatic, so mysterious, and so symbolic across cultures that it has inspired myths, prophecies, and legends for thousands of years. We call it the blood moon, but the real science behind it is even more stunning than the myth. Tonight we'll explore why the moon really turns red, why the 2026 blood moon is special, how Earth's atmosphere paints the moon, what color you should expect to see, and where you must be to witness it in all its glory. Before we start our journey, I would love to know from where you guys are tuned in from, and do not forget to drop in a like or a comment. Do subscribe to the channel if you are as interested in space as us. Let's dive into the cosmic story behind the moon's fiery glow. What exactly is a blood moon? A blood moon happens during a total lunar eclipse when the Earth moves perfectly between the sun and the moon. You might think this alignment should turn the moon completely dark, but instead it glows a haunting shade of red, orange, or sometimes copper. Why doesn't it vanish into total darkness? That's the mystery ancient skywatchers wondered about. Some thought it meant the gods were angry. Others believed it signaled war, famine, or great change. But the truth? The moon is not glowing on its own, it's being lit by Earth's atmosphere. The science behind the red glow. While our ancestors did not have the means to know the science behind the blood moon, let me unravel the beautiful physics behind the event. Just like any other day, sunlight hits Earth's atmosphere. As the sun shines, its light reaches the Earth, and the atmosphere acts like a colossal lens. Blue light scatters away. Shorter wavelengths like blue and violet scatter in all directions. That's the reason our daytime sky is blue. Longer wavelengths, reds, oranges, deep yellows, pass through the atmosphere easily. That red light falls on the moon. During the eclipse, the moon is lit by the combined light of every sunrise and every sunset happening on Earth. Think about that for a moment. Every glowing edge of Earth, every horizon where the sun is rising or setting, bends a little red light into space, and all that light lands on the moon. That's why the moon turns red, and it's not just an eclipse, it's a global tribute to Earth's sunsets. Why the 2026 blood moon is special. The blood moon of 2026 is not just any lunar eclipse. Here's why it stands out. It's a central total eclipse. The moon will pass through the center of Earth's shadow, the umbra. This makes the eclipse deeper, longer, and more intensely red. It will last longer. Totality will be over 1 hour, giving skywatchers enough time to enjoy the crimson glow. It's one of the clearest eclipse paths in the decade. The 2026 blood moon will be visible from India, Europe, Africa, Australia, most of Asia, parts of the Middle East. Large portions of the world will get a perfect viewing opportunity. As of now, scientists don't expect major global volcanic activity or atmospheric disruptions by 2026. That means bright coppery colors, higher contrast, a more photogenic moon for casual skywatchers and astrophotographers alike. This is the event to prepare for. Why blood moons come in different colors. Not all blood moons look the same. Some are a deep blood red, copper orange, rusty brown, or barely visible. The reason is Earth's atmosphere changes the color. The main reasons are: 1. Volcanic eruptions. Massive eruptions release ash and aerosols that block sunlight. This makes the moon appear very dark red or even brown. 2. Wildfires. Smoke and soot particles filter light differently, adding deeper red tones. 3. Pollution. High pollution can intensify the copper shade. 4. Clouds and dust. Depending on the conditions, the eclipse can look: brighter, dimmer, or patchy. Prediction for next year. Atmospheric models suggest the 2026 blood moon will be bright with a strong orange-red glow, perfect for viewers. How to watch the 2026 blood moon. You don't need telescopes or special glasses. It's completely safe to watch with your naked eyes. But here's how to get the best view. Find an open sky. No buildings, trees, or city lights. Check the timing for your location. Use NASA's Eclipse map or apps like Time and Date, Stellarium, Sky Safari. Use binoculars for extra detail. The red shading looks richer through binoculars. For photos, use a tripod. Even smartphones can capture stunning eclipse shots today. The mythology behind the blood moon. Across cultures, blood moons have carried deep symbolic meaning. Ancient Mesopotamia believed the king was under threat. A substitute king was appointed during the eclipse. Incan civilization saw the blood moon as a jaguar attacking the moon. Native American tribes saw it as cleansing or a rebirth. Science explains the glow, but the emotions and stories remind us how humans have always looked to the sky for meaning. On March 3, 2026, when the moon turns red, you'll be watching the Earth paint its shadow across space. A blood moon is more than an eclipse. It's the light of every sunrise and sunset on Earth, collected and reflected back to us by our closest cosmic neighbor. A reminder of how connected we are to our planet, to our sky, and to the universe beyond. Don't miss the 2026 blood moon. It might be one of the most beautiful nights of the decade.